Similan Island.
Made it to the first island. There you go. Gonna go up that rock there. Yeah, we're heading up to the viewpoint. This is called the Sail Rock Viewpoint Trail. Yeah. Bridge leads to these steps. Now we're going in the forest to get there. Cool. Now we gotta go under the rock. Let's do it. Oh, thanks.
Careful your head and narrow.
Wow. God.
Oh my goodness.
Coffee cup.
ได้ค่ะเราไปข้างบนสุดก่อนปะ
Okay.
ไปเดินเขาก็มี go to the top first
Wow, look at that blue water.
ไปเปล่าไป
Go to the top.
And to the top, there's more steps. Yes, we made it to the top of this rock. Look how blue that water is. We're gonna be swimming down there in a minute.
คิวต่อไปค่ะมาค่ะคุณพี่ใครจะถ่ายมาเลยส่งกล้องมาเลยต้องถ่ายทั้งหมดเลย
This is it, just our small group. These are the only people on the island right now. What's up?
พี่จ๋าเดี๋ยวคุณพี่มารอในร่มตรงนี้ก็ได้มาใครถ่ายก่อนคุณแม่ถ่ายก่อนหรือใครถ่ายก่อนหรือว่าถ่ายคู่คุณแม่ถ่ายก่อนนะนี่
We reached the top. Take a look at this. You don't want to walk too close to the edge, just where the sun sets. Where the sun starts right here.
Okay, don't walk.
And look how blue that water is down there. It's amazing. Over here, just us. Yeah, look at it's perfect time to come to Similan Islands. And this is only our first stop, right? We're going to 3 more islands today.
Yeah. Okay, okay, okay.
Now we're coming back out to the beach. Gonna go for a dip. Time to lay in and cool off. Ooh. Feels so good. So clear. This is how the ocean should look. This is amazing. Oh man, that's the rock we hiked up on to earlier. Way up there. There's the boat we took in today. And I'm waiting for Lee. She's gonna join me in just a moment.
Okay.
I had goggles on. Ooh. The next spot we're gonna go scuba diving in the next. We're gonna go scuba diving in the next area, so they're gonna give us something to see underwater, and we'll be able to see the fish hopefully. So we're heading there now. We're gonna get on the boat.
Toro.
Yeah, we're going to some island that has coral, so we're gonna get back on our boat before we miss it, and I'll see you in the next island. Let's go. Yeah, so this is some of the coral. See, washed up on the beach. The coral turns white when it dies, actually. When it either comes into contact with humans or other fish over time.
This is the big one.
But it's so big, sharp.
It's the big one.
That's why they gave us these little booties to wear. All right, there's the line to get back on the boat. We're heading over to the next island. We're gonna go scuba diving. Or snorkeling, I should say. So.
Honey, can you come? Nobody here.
So this place is pretty amazing. Like, there's really nobody here right now. Right after COVID times, we got a boat of maybe like 50 people, and that's it. We had the island to ourselves for the afternoon. A couple hours. And we're going to 3 other islands. Let's go.
Love Andaman.
Time to get on that Love Andaman. We're on this little island. We just stopped for lunch, and now we're going to some beach. It's called Honeymoon Beach. They said it was this way.
Yeah, honeymoon with at Koh Mieng. Mieng Island or island number 4.
All right, at least taking me on this adventure here. Supposed to be going towards the beach. Hopefully this is the right way. Guess we'll find out.
I'm not gonna go through the screen.
Okay, so we're just gonna walk up, put our feet in, take a look around. We're not gonna go swimming at this one. Just wanted to see what was over here. This must be it, Honeymoon Beach. Let's see. She found a spot for her shorts. You gotta dry your shorts. It's like we're on a deserted island here. This is our own little cove, our own little private island. This is also known as Honeymoon Beach. Check this out. Yeah, this sand is just so soft and smooth and white. The water is crystal clear. It's like blue Gatorade. Look at that. I hope this is showing up on camera. This looks so amazing. Look how clear that is over there. Wow. Got a swing over there, and there's some buildings back that way. I think it's a hotel. And check out how clear this water is again. I just can't believe it every time. This is how water should look like in the ocean. Pretty nice. All right, we're gonna head back to the boat now. Pretty clear though. Beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, okay?